Hello. All right, back again. Great to see you. And let's see what we get on with today. I'm not going to say what I think we're going to do because it never seems to happen. So we're just going to get up there, do something. In between the joists here on the top, as ever, whoever's done the work has just left all the rubble and everything in here, so I'm clearing it out. And I found some little bits of newspaper, so I just want to see if there's a date on them. Very crumbly, look like they've been here a while. So let's just see if we can see if there's a date. What we got here? We got a few bits, a few fragments. This one very dirty. Thefts from churches. Some things never change. I can't see a date on there. I'm looking for the headline or banner top. What we got here? This looks like the top or bottom. That's the bottom of a page. Okay, so what we got here? Well, that looks like the tobacconist, 20 or 10 for sixpence, I think on that one. I think what we're looking at there is pre-decimalisation. So that's going to be, what, 50 odd years ago, 71 I think it came in. So it's 50 odd years old. See if there's any more info in here. Ah, I've got some dust in my eyes. You're in trouble, you get the dust in your eyes. Right, okay, let's have a look on here. This one, very scrumpled up. Let's just angle it down for you. It's filthy, this bit of paper. Something about a tram queue. Okay, so that's reasonably old. But no, I can't see a date. Ah, that's a shame. Always like seeing something. But no, can't see anything on there. There's a corner bit, but nothing. Something Commercial Street. Well, that's the name of a street in Leeds, but probably a lot of other places as well, but no. Oh, what a shame. 20 cases admitted by a Bradford man. Thefts from churches. So he was prolific But no, I can't see. That's about the best I can get. Is that 20 for something tobacconist? Can't see. That's just a big advert, is that? And on the reverse, there's nothing in there. No. Oh well, they can stay there for the next person. Hey Matthew, in 100 years, to have a look at that and go, there's no date on it.
Yeah.
Never mind. Right, whilst we're here, whilst we've got the floor up, we can see there that is the ceiling rose for the bedroom below, the bedroom down here. Now that ceiling rose is really close to the window and is not central. So I think what we need to do, Matthew, is probably go downstairs and say how many feet back that ceiling rose needs to come.
I think it's fine.
No, they need to go in the middle of the room.
So.
And that's just, it just looks right.
Yeah.
I'll go and do it then. So we're in the room downstairs.
Yeah, that's fine.
And you can see how close it is. So it is within about 2 feet of there. And you can see how much space there is there.
Let's just put it there.
So what you normally do is you put it in the middle. Yeah?
Let's put it in the middle.
Exactly. So,
I reckon there.
well, let's get a tape measure and put it in the middle. Right, so what have we got? To the wall. Don't worry about that. Let's put it
330.
Put it on the windowsill so you can actually turn it. And
Well,
then in
that's
a bit,
not accurate either because you're holding it about 3 feet above.
there. So do it to the wall. No, we'll just bend. Pull some extra out and bend it in. And you can do a reading.
You can do a reading. Aren't all tape measures the same length? 3/4.
Are all tape measures
Yeah, the actual
length?
tin.
Oh,
Is
no.
that's all the same length.
As what?
I think isn't it like he's got a measurement. Look.
Yeah, but mine's much smaller. So
No,
why
it
would
doesn't
mine be
matter.
the same?
Because from there to there is
No, but you're banging it against there, so it's not even the bottom
But
bit.
it's 3 inches. I swear that's what they do. You make it.
No, they don't. 3.4, right. Go 1.7 from over there. Right, 1.7. Yeah. So, where is it? Put it onto the floor. Let's put our spot on the floor. Where's, what is it, 1.7?
That's what you just said.
Okay, right, now let's do it side to side. So put it on the floor. So what we got?
223.
So half of 223.
110. 11.
Okay, 110, 11-ish. Right, so that's there. So that's our central spot, okay? Now, what we really want to do is take a plumb line from there and go up. What's with the miserable face?
So right there is right there.
Alright, have we got any string?
No.
Oh, that's annoying. Are we sure we haven't got any string or anything? I'll have to mark it on the. I'll have to mark it on the ceiling then.
Why not just do that?
Right, where do we think it is? About there. Let's just do the tape measure.
Yeah. You've got to click the button.
I know, but I can't get to it. Right, what I want you to do is hold that one end up. There, if you can. Can you reach?
No.
How high can you go?
There.
Okay. So, what did we say it was? About 111?
111.
Right, that is going to be right on the joist, I know it is. Okay, and I'm going to go that way. What did we say it was? 1.7. Just hold it up a bit. That is there, 1.7, so it is about there. Alright.
I was pretty much bang on.
Yeah. Hey?
I think you're in the joist.
Yeah, that's what I thought I might be. Well, still in the joist. I'm going to try and go through
Where do you think it came?
1.12 and 1.7.
No. Where, yeah, so where's that?
Well, I would have thought we're quite a long way here.
On the right.
Is it the left?
It's the left. It's right
Is
there,
it?
look.
Ah, okay. I see him. Cool. Right there. Right. Okay. Well, that's the centre point.
Cool. Right, one now.
Right, what do you say you've got?
Check that out.
Hey, whoa. Now then. That,
It's all completely rusted.
yeah. But look, that's a multi-blade. It's like a Swiss Army knife.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that is the tool for getting stones out of horses' hooves.
Cool. I don't know anything about horses' hooves.
No, but that's kind of something that, you know, it looks almost like a narwhal or something. But that, yeah, keep that.
Why?
Keep that. Just put it, you know, as a thing, you know, you could pin it to the top. Because it's, you know.
I'll put it in the floorboards for the next game.
Put it in the floorboards for the next game.
Did you have a...
Oh. How cool's that? That's really weird.
It was right at the top. I assumed you'd seen it.
No, I didn't see that at
How
all.
did you not... Look, you put it in the bucket.
I was just scooping stuff up. How cool's that? That looks like some sort of fish.
The drugs are all full.
I love that. I think that's cool. Yeah, so I've done the circuit. I'm pulling it round as a radial, I think. Now there's a lot of arguments that you shouldn't, ring circuits, if you do the electric design calculations, it doesn't hold to the rules. It's an anachronism of post-war copper shortages, and it was meant to be slightly quicker and use slightly less copper. Go abroad, I think we're about one of the only countries, probably India, but India's a whole different kettle of fish when it comes to electrics. But you kind of, you're allowed to run a certain number, and it's all down to, what power it draws and what you're going to pull off it. I'm not doing a lot here. It's going to be TVs, phone charging, that sort of stuff. It's not a lot. So I've just done it as a radial all the way around. And now I'm going to pull it into the box, make sure I've got enough cable to loop up into the box, and then we can kind of patch in all the stuff that we've been chiseling out. So you chisel it out to fill it in again. And then Matthew will be ready to do his spray caulking, which would be cool. Mm-hmm. But we've got to get the lighting circuits in for downstairs through the ceiling here. So anyway, there we go. That's where we're up to. Kind of got the cable all the way around. Now I just need to give it enough slack and enough stuff and get it sorted. Okay, so there's no pressure, but Matthew's just said that the guy who wants to kind of move into the house is coming up. So pressure's on to get all this done ASAP. Anyway.
The real deadline's like 5th December, that's when we're going to have everything.
Yeah, the plumber's coming to install radiators. How many days is that? That's not long. That's not long, folks. Enough of this. That brick is so hard. I've got the special little masonry bits here. Capping nails. Special capping nails with the little sort of collar. It's almost like a washer. So as you bash it in, bang, 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 it's not like a nail going through the capping. It actually has quite a big sort of head to it, so it holds it in place. The only trouble is, this brick is so, they're meant to be masonry into brick and block and all the rest of it, but I can't hammer the little bit. So I'm well with that. I'm going to keep going, but then it's going to be a case of cut the capping, get the browning in, just fill it up so that we're ready to do the first fix. And I've just had a thought. We were putting a radiator here. That's it. I'm going to be, messing about, sorting stuff out. So I will see you on the next one when we try to pick a house, make it your dream house, and try and escape to it. Is it possible? Well, yeah, of course it is. You have ups and downs, don't you? When you get knocked down, you pick yourself up and keep going, don't you? Yeah, of course you do. The alternative is not so great. So I'll see you again on the next one. See you soon.